I want to talk to you about the best web hosting for dropshipping. So if you have a dropshipping venture, you want to pay attention to the web hosting that you actually choose. So here's a roundup I want you to pay attention to. The first player I want to really consider is Shopify. I mean, Shopify is a giant when it comes to e-commerce, but specifically when it comes to dropshipping. Okay, and we love the fact that Shopify simplifies the entire process from setting up an online store to managing products, orders, and payments. Its user-friendly interface requires minimal technical expertise, allowing you, when you really think about it, to focus on growing your dropshipping business instead of dealing with intricate technical details. With built-in features for dropshipping, seamless integration of third-party apps, and reliable customer support, Shopify really provides a streamlined and efficient platform that aligns perfectly with the needs of your dropshipping venture. By the way, the Shopify app market has thousands of apps. So what are the pros and cons here? The pros first. It simplifies e-commerce setup. It offers a variety of themes. It provides secure hosting. It enables easy product management, and it also integrates with numerous apps. What about the cons here? You are going to incur monthly subscription cost. It limits design customization. Shopify charges transaction fees for third-party gateways, and it requires apps for advanced features. So overall, when you think about e-commerce, when you think about dropshipping, when you think about Shopify, I want you to think about the same thing, okay? Shopify actually is an e-commerce platform famous for its user-friendly approach and has been in the industry for 20 years now. So you have a diverse selection of themes. You can easily customize the appearance of your stores, creating a visually appealing and brand-aligned online presence. And Shopify provides secure hosting, ensuring the reliability and safety of transactions on the platform. That's really fantastic. And what we love about Shopify web hosting is that it has an intuitive interface that facilitates seamless product management, allowing you to add, update, and organize your inventory effortlessly. Furthermore, Shopify boasts extensive app integration possibilities, enabling you to enhance your store's functionality with various third-party applications. While it offers a convenient and feature-rich e-commerce solution, it's important to note that Shopify comes with monthly subscription cost. Next, you have SiteGround. And SiteGround is another web hosting service for dropshipping. What we love about SiteGround is that you have reliability, but you also have scalability. So opting for SiteGround as your dropshipping business's web hosting is a prudent choice due to its impeccable reputation for reliability, impressive loading speeds, and robust security features. And SiteGround's commitment to exceptional customer support ensures timely assistance, vital for maintaining an uninterrupted online presence. The platform's user-friendly interface and scalability make it well-suited for e-commerce, providing a solid foundation for the smooth operation and growth of your dropshipping venture. So what are the pros and cons of SiteGround as a web hosting service for dropshipping? The pros first. It really enhances website speed with caching. It provides top-notch customer support. It implements strong security measures. It offers versatile hosting plans, and it also facilitates easy website migration. What about the cons here? Well, it does limit storage on entry-level plans. It increases renewal rates. It enforces actually a strict data storage limitations. It excludes Windows-based hosting options, and that's a bummer, but it is what it is. And it also restricts data center location. So when you think about SiteGround, I want you to think about a very popular web hosting provider that keeps getting attention for its exceptional performance and robust features. With a focus on speed and reliability, SiteGround employs advanced technologies such as SSD drives, Cloudflare CDN, and multiple data centers to ensure swift loading times and consistent website uptime. And the platform actually offers a user-friendly interface, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. And SiteGround stands out with its security measures, including daily backups, which are really great for dropshipping. You have free SSL certificates and proactive monitoring for potential threats. Additionally, its customer support receives praise when it comes to responsiveness and expertise, providing assistance through various channels. And SiteGround's hosting plans cater to different needs, from shared hosting to dedicated servers, making it a versatile choice for your business. Next, you have HostGator. So HostGator is actually a great web hosting for dropshipping. It is a compelling choice for your dropshipping business due to its combination of scalability, affordability, and reliability. Okay, we're talking here about reliable performance. With a variety of hosting plans to accommodate different business needs, HostGator ensures that you can easily scale your resources as your business grows, and the competitive pricing makes it a very attractive option as well. Additionally, we also love the fact that HostGator's reputation for strong customer support ensures that you have assistance when needed. That's what you want anyway. When you have a dropshipping business, especially a very busy dropshipping operation, you want customer support to be available 24/7. So what are the pros and cons of HostGator as a web hosting service for dropshipping? The pros first: it facilitates scalability, it diversifies hosting plans, it ensures 24/7 customer support, it implements robust security measures. What about the cons here? There are some occasional server issues that users have experienced over the last few years. And HostGator actually incorporates additional fees. It limits free site migration support, and it really overwhelms beginners with UI, the user interface. So something to be really to actually think about. But overall, when you think about HostGator, I want you to think about a reputable web hosting provider you can trust for scalable solutions and user-friendly approach. And HostGator actually offers a variety of hosting plans and that are suitable for your dropshipping, that could be suitable for your dropshipping operation, including shared, VPS, and dedicated hosting. Its services come with a straightforward control panel, making it very easy for you to manage your websites and hosting settings. Thinking of reliability and consistent performance, you want to think of a provider such as HostGator. Additionally, its customer support is actually responsive and available 24/7, providing assistance through various channels. So that's really cool. I want you to think about Namecheap. Namecheap is another web hosting service for dropshipping. And Namecheap actually offers cost-effective hosting solutions without compromising on essential security measures, including SSL certificates and regular backups, ensuring the protection and customer data and transactions. So with a reputation for transparency and user-friendly interfaces, Namecheap becomes your attractive option if you are looking for a budget-conscious hosting provider that prioritizes the security and integrity of your online business. So what are the pros and cons of this service here? What we love about with Namecheap is that it offers affordable pricing. So pricing is really affordable with Namecheap. I mean, everything is in the name in the first place. You know, it has a user-friendly interface. It projects strong security features, and it also supports free migration assistance. So if you want to migrate your domain name, they will probably help you out. Not a problem. What about the cons here? Well, Namecheap shows limited advanced features, so you don't expect something convoluted, such as something convoluted in terms of features, such as with Bluehost or DreamHost. Okay, and Namecheap actually exhibits various customer support responsiveness. I mean, varied customer support responsiveness. So it's not really consistent across the board. It requires additional charges for some features, and it shows actually. After review, it shows shared hosting limitations, something to really think about. So, long story short, when you think about Namecheap, think about a hosting service for dropshipping that stands out for its affordability and user-friendly services. The platform offers various hosting plans, including shared and WordPress hosting. Namecheap actually simplifies domain registration and provides a secure environment for all kinds of dropshipping ventures with features like free SSL certificates. So that's really cool. And while it doesn't really offer as many advanced features as premium providers, its competitive pricing and commitment to simplicity make it an appealing option you can consider for your dropshipping business. Next, I want you to think about Hawk Host. So when you think about Hawk Host, I want you to think about one of the best hosting services for dropshipping. And so you want to go for Hawk Host if you want speed, reliability, and customer satisfaction. And Hawk Host provides a robust hosting environment with high performance servers, ensuring quick and efficient loading times for your dropshipping site. And the commitment to reliability means what? It means that you have minimal downtime. At least you can have minimal downtime, contributing to a seamless shopping experience for your customers, your dropshipping customers. Additionally, Hawk Host customer support is popular for its responsiveness, offering timely assistance should any issues arise, which is really crucial for the smooth operation of your dropshipping business. Okay. So what are the pros and cons here? The pros first. Hawk Host actually offers fast and reliable hosting. It provides responsive customer support. It promises competitive pricing, and it really also focuses on performance. I mean, performance is kind of key when it comes to Hawk Host in the first place. What about the cons here? Well, it has limited data center locations. It shows fewer advanced features compared to some competitors, and it requires actually additional charges for certain services. So something to really keep in mind. So overall, when you think about the best web hosting for dropshipping, I want you to think about Hawk Host because it is primarily a performance-driven web hosting provider that's very popular for its reliability and speed. It offers, among other things, of course, high-performance servers and ensures fast loading times, which are really critical for an excellent user experience, especially in a very competitive world of dropshipping. And so the responsive customer support minimizes downtime, contributing to overall website stability. So if you value performance and reliable support for your dropshipping website, Hawk Host is a solid choice, and especially when it comes to your overall online e-commerce and dropshipping ventures. So that's really an important element to think about. So here you have it, right? So the top 5 web hosting services for dropshipping. So what are the general considerations to keep in mind? So when we talk about the overview of the best web hosting for dropshipping, you have to remember that everything revolves around your needs, right? So when exploring the best web hosting options for dropshipping, several providers stand out, each offering unique advantages. So Shopify is a dedicated e-commerce platform. SiteGround is popular for exceptional performance and security. HostGator has affordability and scalability under its belt. Namecheap combines cost effectiveness with solid hosting services, and Hawk Host stands out for its commitment to performance and reliability. You got to ask yourself, what am I looking for? What should I have? What are my needs in the first place? Okay. The bottom line is, how do you choose the best web hosting for drop shipping? You want to assess your business needs. You want to evaluate loading speeds. Loading speeds are kind of critical, especially, again, we are talking about a very competitive dropshipping realm. You want to check reliability and uptime. Ensure the hosting service has a strong track record for reliability and high uptime percentages, minimizing the risk of website downtime and potential sales loss. You want to review security measures. You want to consider customer support. You want to examine scalability options. You want to explore pricing and value. That's an important element. So what are the pros and cons of the best web hosting for drop shipping? I want to talk to you about the pros first. You have a tool or tools that offer easy scalability, are cost effective, promise accessibility from anywhere, and project a variety of hosting options. What about the cons here? Basically, there are potential for server downtime. They may, in some cases, raise security concerns. They offer limited customization, so something to really think about. And they also actually lead to total dependence on hosting provider. So this is another element for you to pay attention to, especially if you're thinking about scalability, you're thinking about long-term sustainability. Sustainability over the long run. This is an important element. So when we talk about the best web hosting for dropshipping, what should you watch out for? It's important to understand that when selecting a web hosting service for dropshipping, you want to prioritize reliability and performance, right? Ensure the hosting provider offers scalable resources to accommodate potential growth in traffic and transactions. I want you to think about those two TRAs, traffic and transactions. Downtime can directly impact sales, so opt for a host with a strong uptime track record. Security is also important, especially when handling customer data and transactions. So you want to choose a hosting provider that implements robust security measures, including SSL certificates and regular backups. Additionally, consider the level of customer support the hosting company provides, as prompt assistance can be vital in addressing any issues that arise in the first place. You want to evaluate the hosting plan's flexibility and features, ensuring that it really aligns with the specific requirements of your dropshipping business, and be mindful of any hidden fees that can impact your overall cost effectiveness. So what are the pro tips here? The thing is that to actually have the best web hosting for dropshipping, you want to assess the hosting provider's scalability to accommodate potential business growth, ensuring that your dropshipping site can handle increased traffic and transactions seamlessly. You also want to pay attention to security. You want to confirm the security measures in place, including SSL certificates and regular backups to safeguard customer data and maintain the integrity of transactions. You want to explore, for instance, the hosting company's uptime track record to guarantee minimal downtime, as uninterrupted availability is crucial for the success of your dropshipping business, especially in the long run. You also want to test the responsiveness and effectiveness of customer support, ensuring the hosting provider offers timely assistance to address any issues that may impact your site's performance. You want to evaluate the flexibility and features of hosting plans to match the specific needs of your dropshipping venture. And be cautious though, and sorry about this. This is an important element. You want to be cautious of hidden fees that could affect your overall budget. You also want to examine user reviews and testimonials to gather insight into the experience of other dropshippers with a hosting provider. Because the bottom line is what? The bottom line is you want to make an informed decision based on real world feedback, right? You want to look at benchmarking data, look at competitive data, and see what's really happening. What site is loading faster, and which web hosting service is better over time. So here's a recap of today's conversation. So if you want to look for the best web hosting for dropshipping, you got to really pay attention to a few factors, a few benchmarking factors. Of course, Shopify is one of the best in the industry, but Shopify is not the only player, right? You have a HostGator, you have a HawkHost, you have a SiteGround, and you have Namecheap. The bottom line is, what are you looking for? Are you looking for affordability? Are you looking for security? Are you looking for customer service? So the answer actually will lie in your needs in the first place. So what are the closing arguments here? So in today's conversation, I'll share with you the best web hosting for dropshipping. I gave you the roundup, the general considerations, the pro tips, and now the closing arguments. In terms of the roundup, we had Shopify, SiteGround, HostGator, Namecheap, and HawkHost. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.